Hello, everybody, and welcome back.
Alrighty, today this is going to be for Rune Picker's Double Trouble, and Jay Gabriel was nice enough to send over this master number, well, other way, number 19, if you can see that there. And just to catch the scope of this thing, let's see here. Here is a number 3 sitting next to it. Look at that. That is absolutely crazy. Alrighty, so now, since for his little challenge thing here, one's got a pick and one has to tension, so I'm going to attempt a picking, and she is going to run the tensioner for me.
Who is she?
Huh?
Who is she?
Miss Tin Man. Yes, she has a name. It's usually Hun, but camera's sake, we'll call her Mrs. Tin Man. Alright.
She has a private identity.
Let's turn there. Yeah. Alrighty, so now we're going to start slowly working our way through here. Click on 2. Push on 3, 4, 5, 6. Alrighty. 1. Push on 2. There's 3.
Always thirsty.
I was like, how thirsty is his wife?
Thanks. Thanks for leaving.
Yeah, they're gonna say, man, he sounds like a dick.
You need to tell me it's the dog that's drinking.
Yeah, that is the dog that's drinking there. Yeah. Let's see.
Did you get it?
Alright, here you go now. Push on it there. There, yeah, just push on it a little harder. There you go. Crank on it.
Oh, goodness.
Maybe just off just a smidge. I'm gonna get 3 up there. There you go. I must be hung up on something there. Hold on a second. It shouldn't be bound up that place so tight. Let off a little bit. Right. How much you let off?
A lot.
Alrighty, now push it. Alright. And number 3 bit pretty hard there. This lock's almost as big as a vice here, you know what?
I swear. I feel like this is all code.
Push on it there. You gotta keep pushing.
That's what she said. Oh, goodness.
Oh, damn, that's too good.
You keep saying stuff.
I set them up and she knocks them down. Keep pushing on it.
Charlie, you can't hit your toy, honey. Sorry.
Oh.
No more.
Charlie. Number one's starting to feel like it's starting to get a little
How many did you do?
tension on it. 6 of them right there, and we pretty much about got all the ones in the back set.
What does that mean?
And as soon as number one starts binding here, alright, we're getting close. Number one is binding. Alright, it fell in a little bit, just keep the tension on. And we'll have his baby opened right here shortly. About 10 more minutes.
Are you being serious?
I hope to God not, but you never know.
Well, what do you mean, like?
Huh?
We almost have a... We're talking like seconds? Minutes?
Maybe seconds right here. I just
Really?
gotta find that last pin that's a binding somewhere or another. Yeah, one's just not up there. Just keep pressure on it.
Will it pop open?
Yeah, your hand will give way right here in a second. Or my arm's gonna fall off one. There you go, push it, push it. Yay! Oh, we got it. Alrighty. Goodness gracious, my arm is a-burning. Alrighty, so this is the Master number 19 picked open. Oh, and look here, we got Vanna White hand. Bring it back over here. Show it off. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. Yes. Alrighty. Thank you for watching now.
Thank you.
Alrighty. See you now. Bye-bye.